May mo cellphone din.
Inspiring day ahead. Thank you, and we look forward to an exciting event.
Hello, Ma'am Jane! Kamusta? Ay! Ma'am Sheila!
Ang importante ito, pinaalala ko ito ng mga dahil nga ba ay sinasabi.
Subak, lahat ang tabang ang mga pag-ibig na utang, pinagit ang mga membro, may kung ka, may kung kiniray.
Head of the Development Program Section of CAO1, the Livelihood Project of CAO1, we refer to that as the Panginarian sa Kababalian Project. A very special feature of this Livelihood Project is that we offer coaching sessions, meaning to say that after the release of this Livelihood Project items, we do coaching sessions.
Livelihood programs ang sinugad sama sa sewing machine na nagabuhat-ubag at pala ang movement nagahatan usab ang nagbuhat usab ang mga rug sneaking. There are 5 barangays na natagaan ang sewing machine. Ang Dekarme ingon man usab ang Buruon women.
With the Philippine Commission on Women, the Maalaga Mindanao Summit is the coming together of all BLGU LGU of Iligan, and nearby Mindanao LGU units, national government agencies, sectors from academia, agriculture, women's association, and other key stakeholders to ensure harmonized gender mainstreaming towards a more gender-responsive Mindanao. Iligan being an ecotourism hub and a proud city of tribe people, and also known as the City of Majestic Waterfalls, is proud and honored to welcome all participants and delegates coming from different parts of Mindanao. Welcome once again. Please rise as we begin by invoking divine guidance through the opening prayer and doxology. Please remain standing as we honor our nation with the singing of Philippine National Anthem.
And harmony reigns among the tribe people. For generations, these three distinct cultural groups have called Iligan home, and their ability to coexist in peaceful unity has become an inspiring tale that echoes far beyond the city's boundaries. Let us continue to pray for a peaceful Iligan.
Sa ngalan sa Amaan, sa Anak, ug sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Ang una, matugong kay imong mata si kay sa kaamon ug dinitay, mabalbalan ka ilahan kay ikaw pinikagya maap.
Rinay kami kayaw, narinay ka kung sumulok sa mga kamay.
Of course, Maayong Iligan, and from our different neighboring cities, welcome to Iligan City.
Organizers, the GAD office, no? And everyone, coming from the national government agencies, local government units, and academe, and barangay LGUs. Maayong buntag once again. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today as we come together for this remarkable occasion. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the organizers for inviting me to share my thoughts on this important gathering. Is an LGU and academic GAD partnership on women leadership and enterprise development. The acronym for that is WIDEL. And under WIDEL is a very specific program which is referred to as professionalizing the leadership and entrepreneurial competencies of key women leaders of women associations in
participants of this very significant forum, the Maalagad Mindanao Summit 2024. No? I commend and would like to congratulate the conveners behind this summit. The Office of Gender Development, no, here in the city of Iligan, Palakpakan nato, no?
Achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. So it's more on the women empowerment. So if we're going to empower women, together with developing their the level of training needs.
We have now concluded the session for being flexible and understanding and updated time adjustment in our program. We will now take a lunch break.
force o sain. So, ang among fight sa Iligan against online sexual abuse and exploitation of children is a collective fight. Diba? Mas nindot kung kamo